Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be show you how can you fix sign out is not available due to restriction. If you are guys facing this problem, then how can you fix it? When you guys try to sign out your Apple ID and you cannot be sign out your Apple ID, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to just open setting, and from here scroll down, tap here screen time, and from here scroll down, content and privacy restriction, tap on this, and from here guys turn this toggle off and simply go back, and from here guys tap on change screen time password, tap here, and from here guys turn off screen time passcode, enter your screen time passcode, and from here guys simply go back, and from here guys open your ID, and here you can see sign out. So guys, using this method you can sign out your Apple ID. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.